What if you could double your productivity with the perfect dual-screen setup? Today, I'm using the Wally Dual Monitor Stand Adjustable Mount, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for a clean and powerful workspace. This stand lets you mount two monitors and adjust them to the perfect angle for maximum comfort and efficiency. Its strong, durable build keeps everything stable, while the adjustable arms give you full control over height, tilt, and rotation. It frees up desk space, making your setup look more professional and organized. Perfect for multitasking, editing, or gaming, this mount transforms your desk into a productivity powerhouse. Smart design, strong performance, and built for serious work. What if your laptop setup could instantly become more comfortable and productive? Today, I'm using the Rewalked Adjustable Laptop Stand, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for improving your workspace. This stand is designed to give you the perfect viewing angle, reducing neck and back strain during long hours of work. Its sturdy build keeps your laptop stable, while the adjustable height lets you customize it exactly the way you like. The sleek, portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether you're working from home or on the go. It also improves airflow, keeping your laptop cool and performing at its best. Simple, smart, and built for productivity. What if your meetings sounded crystal clear no matter where you are? Today, I'm using the eMeet M0 Plus Bluetooth conference speaker, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for professional meetings and calls. This powerful speaker delivers 360-degree voice pickup, making sure everyone in the room is heard clearly. The advanced noise reduction technology filters out background noise, so your conversations stay sharp and focused. It connects easily via Bluetooth or USB, giving you flexibility across devices. Its compact, portable design makes it perfect for office, home, or travel use. Whether it's meetings, calls, or online classes, this speaker ensures clear sound, reliable performance, and a truly professional communication experience. What if your mouse could boost your speed, comfort, and productivity instantly? Today, I'm using a Logitech wireless mouse, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for smooth and effortless control. This mouse delivers precise tracking, allowing you to work, browse, or edit with complete accuracy. Its wireless design keeps your desk clean and clutter-free, while the comfortable grip makes it perfect for long hours of use. With reliable battery life, you won't have to worry about constant charging. It connects instantly and works seamlessly with most devices. Whether you're working, gaming, or creating content, this mouse gives you speed, precision, and comfort in one compact, powerful gadget. What if one smart hub could power your entire workspace effortlessly? Today, I'm using the Tobin 1 docking station, a powerful Amazon gadget designed to simplify your setup. This all-in-one hub lets you connect multiple devices at once: monitors, USB accessories, SD cards, and more, without the hassle of switching cables. It delivers fast data transfer, stable performance, and keeps your desk clean and organized. Whether you're working, editing, or multitasking, it boosts productivity instantly. The sleek design fits perfectly into any modern workspace, and setup is quick and easy. If you want efficiency and performance in one device, this is a game changer. Feeling stressed or bored during work? This tiny gadget might be the most satisfying desk toy you'll ever try. Today, I'm using the BusyBox, a fun and interactive Amazon gadget designed to keep your hands busy and your mind relaxed. It's packed with satisfying buttons, switches, rollers, and clickers that you can press, flip, and spin anytime. The tactile feedback is incredibly addictive and perfect for relieving stress, improving focus, or simply passing time. Its compact design fits easily on your desk or in your pocket, so you can use it anywhere. If you enjoy satisfying gadgets or need a quick way to stay focused, the BusyBox is surprisingly fun and useful. What if a tiny device could turn your phone into a professional video production setup? Today, I'm using the Lexar Professional Go Portable SSD with Hub, an incredible Amazon gadget designed for creators who need speed and storage on the go. This ultra-compact SSD plugs directly into your phone and delivers blazing fast performance, allowing you to record high-quality 4K footage without worrying about running out of space. With speeds up to around 1050 megabytes per second, it handles large video files smoothly and keeps your workflow fast and efficient. The included hub even lets you connect extra gear like microphones or lights. Whether you're filming, vlogging, or creating content, this gadget turns your smartphone into a powerful portable studio. What if your mousepad could show off your tech passion while boosting your setup? Today, I'm using a Linux mousepad, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for coders and tech lovers. This stylish mousepad features iconic Linux-themed designs that instantly upgrade your desk aesthetic. The smooth surface ensures precise mouse control, making it perfect for work, gaming, or programming. It's built with a non-slip base, so it stays firmly in place even during intense sessions. Durable, comfortable, and visually striking, it adds personality to your workspace. If you want performance with a touch of geek culture, this mousepad is a must-have.